To integrate to my channel, and in this video I would like to show you a best way to implement user onboarding journey for tech guys as well as for product guys without need or to write code. So let's jump into it, and let's start from what is the customer onboarding tool. So you can see this website intro.js.com, and here they have this live demo. So this is like a modal that opens and suggests you some text, and you can navigate next. So they highlight some parts of the application. That might be very useful if you've built a very complex product, and between different features you would like to guide a special user to use just particular things that they need. So for example, they need to pick only 3 steps, but you have a lot of things, and you can just suggest this type of or this group of people to use it. So yeah, you can see it here is like a title. Next you can like import JavaScript or CSS file, and they kind of suggest it. Of course, this is very basic example, so it's easy to easy to use it, but you can get the idea. So, and you can build and wrap more complex solutions. So yeah, Intro.js, actually you should pay like starting from $10 for it for lifetime. And it's, yeah, and if you want more support, more projects, it will be $50. So not for free, but yeah, now you get the idea. And that was option number 1. So option number 2, if you're using some particular framework or libraries, like in this case Design is very popular framework for React developers, and from version 5.0 they have this new component named tool. You can start and see similar thing that the developer can implement in a custom way. So under the hood it uses ref, it remember which element you want to target, and then which content you want to associate with it. And yeah, so you can see different examples, even some customized, and see how it changed. So you can build your own experience, but it will require time. And yeah, you need to be experienced in this framework and know how to use it. There are more advanced solutions, and one of them is Novattic. So Novattic is like a no-code solution that it's very powerful, but also expensive. And I will try to show you briefly how it can work. Suggest you to create like a web capture or upload media. Actually, I haven't tried media, so we can start from web capturing. So you should install their extension. I already have it installed. Now demo name, this is my wife's website. So they open it in a separate window and suggest you to start capturing some screens. So yeah, this is pretty straightforward, but imagine that you have a very complex application, and yeah, you have a lot of things built in. So and you need to guide people. I will show you just a little simple demo here. So you can see now it's already loaded, so I can move slowly to the next section. For example, new products, cool, and categories. Nice. So I want to finish and begin building demo. So now I'm going to this section, and I can like generate a user flow from these images that were captured. Yeah, the button is here. Generate the flow. Yeah, and here it shows me like, okay, this will be modal, tooltip, form. Okay, so you start from here. Okay, let it be a tooltip. Select element. Okay, let me try. Okay, I will try this probably. Yeah, again the button, save anchor, single latest product here. So you can build some type of things and describe how the user can interact with your web application. So next, yeah, you can write HTML and add links. So it's a WYSIWYG editor, as well as you can add forms, maybe videos, embedded code. So and categories are here, and we are done. So yeah, and this button can be also customized like end of the journey. So you can see some actions can be added: continue, go back, jump to step, start, complete the flow, and yeah, and you can customize it. I would like to keep it like this. So yeah, looks good. Save and exit. Nice. So flow is created. Now I need to publish it, I believe. Yeah, so I'm publishing. Yeah, it's ready, and now it shows me the web link. You can embed it, and you can probably reuse it in the next demo. So view. Nice. So you can see the model is here and the text that I've added. So I can share this link so the user will see it. Okay, next it scrolls and shows a tooltip, single latest product here. Nice. Okay, nice. Categories are here, and we are done. Cool. Yeah, probably it can also mark it as done somewhere in internal system. Yeah, and also they have a lot of cool features that helps you to track users that interacts with your demos a lot, and you can reach them and probably sell your product better. Yes, that was it. Please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.